Getting a TikTok server error on your Android phone? If it says the server is currently unavailable, this video will help you fix it. The issue could be with the app or TikTok servers. But before jumping into the solutions, let's check one important thing first. Open a browser, then type down detector TikTok. Search for it, then open the down detector link and see if there are any recent server outages on TikTok in the last 24 hours. If the TikTok servers are down, you will not be able to access the app until it opens up. Since it's a server issue, you can wait for the problem to be solved automatically. But if the problem is with your app, then try these solutions. Solution 1. Clear TikTok cache and data. Go to your app gallery or home screen. Tap and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap on the I button or app info. This will take you to your TikTok settings. Search for the option Storage from here. Once found, tap on it. Now tap on Clear Cache and then tap Clear Data. Tap on Delete to confirm the action. Remember that this will delete everything inside your TikTok app and completely reset it. But after the reset, your problem should be resolved. Now, clearing the app data can sometimes remove app permissions. So you should go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. In here, make sure to give your TikTok apps all the permissions. Permissions are needed for your app to function properly. After you're done with it, check your issue. Solution 2. Change your DNS. Open Settings. Tap on Connections. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi you're connected to and tap the gear icon next to it. Tap View More. Now select IP Settings. After that, set it to static. Now make sure your IP address and gateway is set properly. Also make sure to set network prefix length to 24. Then on the DNS1 section, type 8.8.8.8. Once done, go to the DNS2 section and type 8.8.4.4. This is the Google DNS and usually a pretty fast one. You can save it and check if your problem is fixed or not. But if you still find it slow, then come back here and change the DNS1 to 1.1.1.1. Then on the DNS2, type 1.0.0.1. Now hit save and get out of your settings. After that, open TikTok and check the issue. Solution 3. Reinstall TikTok. If the problem is with the app, you might need to reinstall it to properly resolve the problem. So on your app gallery or home screen, press and hold on to the TikTok app. Then tap Uninstall and confirm the action. After this, go to the Google Play Store and search for TikTok. Simply reinstall the TikTok app from there. After the reinstallation, your problem should be fixed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy solutions. Your support really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.